Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change page number in MS Word. So here we have our first step. First step is click on page layout and go to the breaks. Go to the breaks, click on the breaks and click on the next page section. When you click on the next page section, then you will go to the insert and click on page number and select you want to add your number. So here we have page number. Now we can edit any page, like we can edit this page number 3 into 2. So here I click on 3 into 2 and click on 2. So here we have a page number 2. Scroll down, here we have a page number 3. So I will change the page number 3 into page number 2. So this is the simple way to change the page number. So you can change page number of your Microsoft Word script. These are the very simple steps. I hope you will understand. Thank you for watching.